Good morning, second class. I guess you all have seen the previous video for lesson number 1, that is part 1. Today we are going to start with part 2, in which we will study advantages and disadvantages of computer. Advantages and disadvantages of computer. Advantages, in simple words, we can say that profit. Advantages means profit from computer, and disadvantages, in simple words, we can say drawbacks of computer. Let's start with advantages first. Now on page number 8 you can see some of computer advantages. First one is speed. As you all know that the computer works very fast. If we enter large amount of data, computer can easily process it very quickly because computer works very fast. Second one is accuracy and reliability. Now, what is reliability and accuracy? Reliable means safe and accuracy means correct. So computer always give correct answers. It never make mistakes. And it is a device that you can trust. Look at this picture. Computer is able to do large calculations very quickly and easily, and also gives us an accurate or correct answers, which saves our time as well. Next is storage capacity. Along with the processing, it can also store large amount of data. For example, like you all have your computer notebook, right? If I ask you to write your English work, EVS work, moral science work, as well as computer work in that one computer copy, then it won't be possible, right? But in one computer, you can store all your work. Next is work whole day. We have already studied that computer never gets tired. Computer can work whole day. It can work for 24 hours without any break. Automation. Computer can able to perform many tasks automatically. Computer can able to perform many tasks automatically. Like let's take an example, like for example, you want to listen music, some songs in computer. What you have to do is just select the songs which you want to listen and click on play. Then one after other, computer will automatically play your selected songs. So it works automatically. Electronic presentation means presenting your ideas using presentation software. With the help of presentation software, you can able to present your ideas in a very creative way. Now I hope all the advantages of computer, that is speed, accuracy, storage, work whole day, etc., are clear to all of you. One more advantages of computer is that it can do millions of tasks for us. Right? You have already studied this in class 1. We are done with advantages. Now let's study what are the disadvantages. Now on page number 9, first is health issue. Prolonged use of computer can result in many health issues. If you keep on using the computer for long time, then it can may occur few health issues, like for example back pain, neck pain, eyes issues, etc. Second is cyber crime. Now what it is, some people use the computer for negative activities, like they can steal important data from your computer and misuse them, and which is very dangerous for us. They may lead us to a big problem. Sometimes they can hack our accounts, they can take our bank details, and they can steal our data as well as our personal information, our uh, money. So that is a big disadvantages of computer. Next is waste of time and energy. Use computer or mobile for necessary things only, like for learning, searching new things. Don't use computer or mobile for playing games. It is very bad for both your studies as well as for your health. Next is virus attack. Virus can affect your computer without your knowledge. Virus in your computer can affect the most important files and without your knowledge. So that is also again a very big disadvantages of computer. Impact on environment. Computer is an electronic machine, as we all know, but it it affects our environment also. How? As you can see in the picture, there are so many waste or damaged computers are there which are affecting our environment. Like if you want to dispose some waste computer which are not in working condition, then disposing of those damaged electronic parts pollutes the environment, which is not good. So children, we are done with advantages and disadvantages. I guess you are clear with both the things. Book exercise, question answers, extra question answers. This we will do in part 3.